Come on back to Kits on May 12th to the Kitsilano Centennial celebration, our 100-year anniversary homecoming.
Come on back
To a new state-of-the-art 21st century school built into the walls of the building that you remember.
Come on back.
To old friends, warm memories, and familiar spaces. To decade rooms, performances, and interactive displays.
Come on back.
To an opening ceremony that you won't forget.
Come on back.
To art and music, to the alumni basketball tournament, and to the Kits Sports Hall of Fame.
Come on back
Come on back.
Okay, guys, come on back. It's time to come back home.